The ocean sustains all life on this planet. Marine plankton produce 70% of the air we breathe. The ocean is the largest source of food protein to feed the world's growing population, and the ocean is the largest buffer against climate change, absorbing CO2 emissions and most of the energy that would otherwise heat the atmosphere. The Georgia Aquarium Research Center is dedicated to understanding how the health of marine life and ocean environments is closely tied to the well-being of all humanity. To do this, our scientists and staff strive to understand ocean, animal, and human health through advanced research in collaboration with university and government partners. We then apply this new knowledge to conserve healthy but threatened marine species and ecosystems. Finally, we share the results with you, our guests at Georgia Aquarium, so that we might all learn to be better stewards of this beautiful blue planet we share. Some of the animals you will see today are excellent indicators of the health of the oceans. For example, dolphins and beluga whales are like canaries in a coal mine. They are at the top of the food web, and their health tells us how changes in the environment can affect the entire marine ecosystem. They are mammals like us, and we even share some diseases called zoonoses. So in a very real way, studies of these species tell us about our own health and well-being. Other animals are important new ambassadors for a vast but poorly understood ocean environment. We once thought that whale sharks and manta rays were solitary giants that roamed the open ocean alone. But research done at Georgia Aquarium Research Center is describing unprecedented groups of whale sharks that form in the warm Caribbean waters of Yucatan, Mexico, and manta rays that school in the waters of northern Florida. This information is used to support conservation efforts, including marine protected areas like the Whale Shark Biosphere Reserve, established in 2009 in Yucatan, Mexico. Coral reefs are the rainforests of the ocean, shimmering with color and brimming with the diversity of animal life. But coral reefs are also declining because of diseases, pollution, and our changing climate. Conservation studies at Georgia Aquarium show that there is hope to save and restore coral reefs, especially in the Caribbean and our beloved Florida Keys, where staghorn and elkhorn corals have become critically endangered in recent years. Through coral conservation, breeding programs, and nurseries, we can prevent the extinction of these beautiful and inspiring habitats. The extraordinary collection at Georgia Aquarium provides unique opportunities for research on species that are rare or difficult to study in their natural setting, advancing science in ways that cannot be achieved elsewhere. We use non-invasive methods to study the behavior and sensory abilities of marine animals, and animal training techniques can be a valuable tool to help this sort of research. Our veterinary care and nutrition programs also provide a wealth of data about the health and biology of the animals in our care. Georgia Aquarium supports and participates in stranding, health, and monitoring studies of marine life in the U.S. and internationally, including dolphins, manatees, sharks, turtles, stingrays, and penguins. In particular, staff at the Georgia Aquarium Conservation Field Station near St. Augustine respond to marine animal stranding events in northern Florida and work with government and university partners to conduct research on the causes of marine mammals and turtle stranding and their implications for environmental and human health. The future of humanity on this planet is inextricably tied to the health of the oceans. The Georgia Aquarium Research Center is working to understand different aspects of this one shared fate. Ultimately, it will be the choices we make, alone and together, that shape the future. You chose to come to Georgia Aquarium today, and we thank you for your support of our research and conservation efforts. To help even more, we challenge you to commit today to one change in your life that will improve the health of the oceans. Why not reduce your plastic waste by reusing and recycling? Reduce your carbon footprint and water usage. Or commit to eating only sustainable seafoods. Try it. You'll feel great, and together we'll be one step closer to leaving to our children and grandchildren an ocean as blue and beautiful as they deserve.